Good morning, everyone. We're up here at the Windham Rail Trail. This here was suggested as a cool place for train enthusiasts such as us. And here we have the sign, Windham Rail Trail. Thanks to Denise. We're checking this one out today. Let's see what we got going on. Well, we've got an old building here. It looks like a beautiful train station would be there. It's a very nice day today, but it's a little bit cloudy. This here probably would have been some type of a storage unloading facility for the local grains and things like that, or whatever they're moving along on the system. Or it could have been for passengers, although I believe this side here would be for the passengers. Windham Station, built in 1849.